Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
All right, Taylor, will we need the blankets tonight?
It depends on your definition of cold, I suppose. I needed them the past couple of nights. I mean, it's been getting chilly. You know,
Yeah.
We all get excited for fall to arrive, and then we don't really realize how chilly it feels until it gets here, right? So tonight's going to be a little bit milder than the past couple nights, but yes, you will want the blankets overnight and certainly a jacket when you step outside tomorrow morning. 64 degrees at this hour in Huntsville. Winds have calmed down after a breezy afternoon. It will get a little breezy again tomorrow afternoon. Probably not quite as bad as it was earlier today, though. Down to 61 at this hour in Coleman and Guntersville. Same for Scottsboro. We're at 67 still in Muscle Shoals and 62 in Decatur. Overnight lows very close to average for mid-October, and that puts us in the low 50s for the majority of us. Scottsboro down to 51. DeKalb County, you're going to be a little bit cooler, a low of 47 overnight tonight in Fort Payne. Here's your Tuesday outlook, and hour by hour looks pretty darn nice. We're looking at sunshine in the morning, a few clouds filling in the afternoon, but before the clouds arrive, I do expect several of us to climb to the low 80s tomorrow. 81 in Huntsville, up to 82 in Decatur. Same for Muscle Shoals. Athens, you'll top out around 80 on Tuesday afternoon. After that, clouds are going to continue to stream in, and that's going to help knock our highs down a few degrees on Wednesday. Could see a high of just 72 in Guntersville, but I'm looking at closer to upper 70s a little farther west. Might even dip our toes into the low 80s around Muscle Shoals. And similar weather expected on Thursday. More clouds and sun, likely keeping those highs in the 70s on Thursday afternoon as well. So tomorrow has a good chance to be our warmest day of this week, and even then it's going to be pretty close to normal for the middle of October. Partly cloudy skies near the state line this evening. The farther south you go, the more clear those skies are. We're going to be keeping an eye on this nearly stationary front that's kind of on our northern tier of counties into southern middle Tennessee. That's been able to kick up a couple showers this evening, and it's possible it does that again overnight tonight. That's going to be more likely in Tennessee than it is in North Alabama. Otherwise, that front really is not going to bother us much. It will push back north over the next couple of days. A system we're going to be watching is something developing in the Gulf of Mexico here. Widespread rain expected along the Gulf Coast Wednesday into Thursday. Unfortunately for us here locally, we're likely just narrowly going to miss out on this, but at least the southern half of Alabama, which needs rain just as badly as we do, is going to get some welcome moisture on Wednesday. Many picking up over 1 inch of rain in those locations. Now, here locally, Tuesday looks dry. Clouds will build in the afternoon, and we'll continue to see that fill in tomorrow night. And by Wednesday, we're looking at a mainly cloudy sky. Late Wednesday into early Thursday, a slight chance at showers in our southeast counties, but the rest of us likely going to avoid that system. There is a slight chance at showers Thursday into Thursday night, but our better chance of rain is going to arrive Friday into Friday night as a separate cold front moves our way. This does not look like it'll bring us any stormy weather or severe weather at that matter, so we don't have to worry about that. It is going to cool us down again. Highs fall to the mid 60s on Sunday and look to stay right around there through the first half of next week. So in some ways, Nicole, that next cold front's going to be stronger than the one that rolled through this last weekend. Yeah, so blankets needed once again for sure.
Yeah, we've been dying for fall. Well, here it is.
There you go.
Taylor.